This season on Survivor Jasmine Island. It's Jasmine's 12th birthday. And as an avid fan of the show, we decided to play a real-life version of Survivor. There will be challenges.
Oh, Thomas must come back and start again.
There will be twists.
Yeah, Jasmine? Your advantage? Sure.
There will be drama.
Nobody likes a dirty life.
All this season on Survivor Jasmine Island. 11 kids, 8 challenges, 1 birthday party. Who will win the grand prize and become our sole survivor? This is Survivor Jasmine Island. First, I want to show you guys your grand prize. This is going to be the winner. There's going to be one winner, the sole survivor of this game. All right, as you see, there's
How much money is that?
a $20 bill in there. There's a lottery ticket in there. There's a bunch of candy in there.
I'm ready.
You ready?
Yeah. Wait, so the one person gets
One person is going to win this. All right, first thing we're going to do is select your tribe. You can select anyone you want, but do not open it.
Get last pick, Jasmine. There's gonna be extras. There's one extra.
Go ahead and open your buffs. These are your buffs. They're headbands basically, and they're going to represent what team you're on.
Why did you pay for that? Oh. I thought it was a burrito. Oh, red. Red.
If you got a red buff, you were on the Reckless tribe.
Reckless.
If you got a blue buff, you were on the Banshee tribe.
Banshee, okay.
That's a red at King
All right.
All right, so for you guys who don't know how to play, you're going to be doing challenges. The loser of the challenges will have to vote somebody off their team and is out of the game. But if you're out of the game, for one, I don't want anybody getting too upset, okay? If you're out of the game, there's still chances of things to happen for you. Like for one, anybody who gets voted out will be in the jury, which means you'll get to help choose the winner of the game. All the people that get voted out will vote to who the winner is, okay? So if you're out of the game, I want you guys to stay around and watch the game because you're going to pick the winner, okay? So you guys can go hang out at your camp until it's time for the first challenge. Banshee tribe, here's this one right here.
What do you want to talk about then? Jordan. Shut up. Jordan, Thomas. Gabe is a baseball player, but I don't know how athletic he is. He plays football too. I like that other girl.
Gabby, I bet Kinsey was just staring at me. I think she's a cheerleader. I know you don't want us to vote.
Oh my God, we're outnumbered.
All right, you guys stand right there on that side. You guys over here on this side. Here's what you guys are going to do. Down at the other end at that other table, there are clothespins that are braided and knotted into that thing. Each team is going to send down 2 people. The rest of you guys will wait. You'll send down 2 people. One person will start at one end of your rope. The other person will start at the other end, unknotting and untying. When you get a clothespin undone, and don't pry it out of there. Make sure you unknot it all the way because it will break. So unknot it till you get to it, pull it out, bring it back down here. And then someone else will go in your place. When somebody gets back down here with the clothespin, then somebody else can go. When you get all the clips back down here, they have letters on them, and they're going to spell out a secret message. You're going to clip them onto here to spell it out, okay? First person that spells out the message wins. Already the Banshee tribe has more people than the rest of the tribe. So the Banshee tribe is right now going to have to decide one person that's going to sit out of this challenge. You're still part of the team, and if your team wins, you still win, but one person has to sit out. So talk it out. Who's going to sit out? You want to sit out, Brooke? All right, Brooke's going to sit out. All right, teams ready?
Yeah.
And go!
What the heck? What is dude? What? I'm doing it! That was hard!
Reckless Tribe still working on their first 2.
You gotta unknot it, Thomas. There you go.
I'm not doing it wrong, I'm doing it fine. Why is it all on this?
Do you guys think you got it? You want me to check?
Sure. Yeah. Check, Jeff.
A thick trio is not it.
You guys are not a trio.
Hot. Hot. What's up? It might be. You never know. Yeah, of course not. Done, done.
Banshee team wins tribal immunity. Tiki torch.
That is hard.
All right, Banshee tribe, you've won team tribal immunity. This is your immunity idol. This means you guys will not be voted out tonight. You're one step closer to the grand prize. Head back to camp.
Because I can help out a lot. I've watched Survivor and Paul, so I can do a lot of challenges. And I'm pretty smart. I get all A's and B's.
Kayla, why should you stay?
I don't think I deserve to stay. I did not help. I was trying my best,
But you could maybe, you don't know what the next challenge is.
I'm
Why
like,
not?
I get all A's in school. I've never got a B, so I'm
Ah,
pretty
what the
smart.
heck is
like,
that?
when it
Get
comes to
away.
like going really fast.
I can kill a bee with a cheese stick.
Well,
I'm serious. I've killed like 3 bees with cheese sticks.
Well, I believe I helped a lot in the last challenge, and I was pretty fast to untie knots.
yeah. Allie? Yes?
I can kill bees with cheese sticks.
Okay.
Me, Dee Dee, and Maria, and Gabby. Well, yeah, Gabby. kind of made a little alliance, and we like decided that we were going to vote at Allison because, in our opinion, we think she's the weakest link because she didn't really do much to help us.
Right out here, out a little further. All right, so are you guys upset that you lost?
Yes.
Yeah, because they have an extra person. And now they have two extra.
But it's
Yeah,
okay.
but their extra person sat out, so it was fair.
Yeah.
It's going to be a long time.
All right, so you guys ready to vote?
Yes.
All right, Allie, come on up. All right, I'll go tally the votes. All right, if anyone has a hidden immunity idol and wants to play it, now would be the time to do it. No? All right, I'll read the votes. First vote, Allie. Second vote, Rhea. That's one vote Allie, one vote Rhea. Third vote, Allie.
Hey, you dropped my card.
Fourth vote, and the first person voted off of Survivor, Allie. Sorry, Allie, bring me your torch.
Oh, you dropped my name.
Hold it. I'm sorry, Allie, but your tribe has spoken.
Bye. I'll be back later.
All right, head back to camp. Next time on Survivor, Jasmine Island.
I think Jasmine might win because
Nobody's gonna vote the birthday girl out.
yeah. Hey, Allie, why are you cheering on me now?
Oh, Thomas must come back and start again. Reckless Tribe just took a quick lead on him.
He at least tried. That's the only reason.
You might vote me out since I dropped you. Actually, I feel like we're all alliance. You can only